Tech enthusiasts, listen up. Vivo has quietly dropped its latest budget-friendly smartphone in the Philippines, the Vivo Y03t. Packed with solid specs at an affordable price, this Y series edition might just be your next daily driver. Let's break it down. Display and design. First up, the Vivo Y03t sports a 6.56-inch HD Plus display with a smooth 90 Hz refresh rate for fluid scrolling. The water drop notch at the top centers a 5-megapixel selfie camera with an f2.2 aperture. On the back, a minimalist dual camera setup sits in the top left corner, featuring a 13-megapixel main lens and a 0.08-megapixel auxiliary sensor. Performance and storage. Under the hood, the Y03t runs on a UniSoC T612 chipset paired with a Mali G57MP1 GPU. It comes with 4 GB of RAM, expandable up to 8 GB using virtual RAM, and 128 GB of onboard storage. Need more space? Pop in a microSD card for up to a whopping 1 TB of extra storage. Software and battery. Out of the box, the phone boots Android 14 with Vivo's FunTouch OS 14 Skin. Fueling the experience is a massive 5,000 mAh battery with 15-watt fast charging support. Plus, a side-mounted fingerprint sensor keeps your data secure, while an IP54 rating adds splash and dust resistance. Connectivity and dimensions. Connectivity options include dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and a USB Type-C port. The Y03t measures 163.53 by 75.5 by 8.39 millimeters and weighs just 185 grams, making it sleek and pocket-friendly. Pricing and availability. Here's the kicker. The Vivo Y03t is priced at just 4,399 Philippine pesos. It's already available in the Philippines in 2 stylish shades, Space Black and Gem Green. User experience and comparisons. Now, how does the Vivo Y03t stack up against its competitors? For under 5,000 pesos, you're getting a reliable performer with a buttery 90 Hz display, a rare find in this price range. Compared to other budget phones, the Y03t stands out with its expandable RAM and massive 5,000 mAh battery, perfect for binge watching or gaming on the go. The FunTouch OS 14 offers a clean interface with handy customization options, though it does come with some pre-installed apps. But hey, that's a small trade-off for a phone that nails the basics without breaking the bank. Camera performance. Camera-wise, don't expect flagship-level shots, but the 13-megapixel main sensor captures decent daylight photos. The 5-megapixel front camera handles selfies well, though low-light performance is predictably average. That auxiliary lens, it's more of a placeholder, so manage your expectations. Target audience and verdict. The Y03t is clearly aimed at budget-conscious buyers who want a smooth display, long battery life, and expandable storage. Students, light gamers, or folks needing a reliable backup phone, this one's worth a look. But if you're after powerhouse performance or pro-grade cameras, you might need to stretch your budget further. For its price, though, Vivo's delivered a solid all-rounder. Final call to action. So, would you pick the Vivo Y03t, or is there another budget phone you'd recommend? Let's spark a debate in the comments. And if you found this breakdown helpful, smash that like button. It helps us out a ton. For more honest tech reviews and the latest gadget drops, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace out.